I also tend to eat a little more protein than most just because I find it satiating. For me, everything boils down to efficiently managing my cravings and appetite. I quite like the taste of meat and chicken. And I enjoy eating it, number one. So fantastic. Number two, again, has a greater impact on my appetite than carbs and fats do. So I dedicate a decent portion of my calories to protein for that reason as well. Because again, like if I wanted to make losing weight harder, I wouldn't make an effort to eat foods that curb my appetite to a greater extent.